Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo,
PBBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Under 14, 16, and 18. Meron ng lineup tomorrow for the finals. Sino kaya ang ating mapapanood in the under 21? Region 2 Tuguegarao Hoopers, tsaka Fabs Pampanga. Baron Mercado covering the action. And we are in for a treat. Nakita ko na naman, Tuguegarao Mamba, Javier versus Tebol Garcia. Former NU Bulldog, Adamson, Baby Falcon. There you go, first 2 points for the Tuguegarao Mamba. Henry Javier and company looking to make a strong statement against Tebol Garcia at buong Fabs. Early on, showing his dribbling exhibition. Itong si Tebol Bautista knocks it down for the first 3. Three to 2 is our score. Henry Javier, nice pass, too deep on that play. Just couldn't hit on that basket. Garcia couldn't knock down his first shot. Rebound secured by Mark Magay. Winner will be in the finals as Javier will be missing another shot. Three to 2 after that 3-pointer by Prix Bautista. Almost a steal. Balik kay Tebol. Looking for that swing, a 3 from the middle, from the corner. Paya Borzalida na maganda ang pinakita kahapon. JC, immediate impact off the bench, now getting the starting nod. Tebol Garcia, nice pass, just couldn't get that scoop. Sayang. Fabs Pampanga, they will have the possession here. Watching live inside Banana Court, the owner of Fabs Pampanga, Sir John Fabico, na meet natin kanina yan, as JLD John Lloyd David knocks down the first one. JLD, 1 out of 2. 4-2 is the score. Fabs Pampanga up here by 2 points. Looking to add more. After that, Henry Javier basket ay itong Tugigaraw Hoopers. Gonna bulldoze his way in. Jason Natividad. Nice drive. Mac Magay. The 1-2 punch. 3 on the way again. Bang! It goes. Early. Bautista knocking down the long 2. 6-4. As a foul was called as Taguba and company looking to make their set plays. Six to 4 is the score. Garcia will send it here. Yuri Masibak has hit big baskets for their squad. Here's Tebol. Couldn't get that jumper. And a push is called here. Henry Javier. Everyone here waiting for that back and forth between Garcia and Javier. So far, Taguba will send it on the left. Balik sa kanya. 7 to go. Here's Henrik Javier. Masyadong bitin yung kanyang layup. Balik ang bola sa Fabs. Masibag brings the ball down. Looking for Garcia. JC Borzalida. Balik kay Tebol. 10 to go. Garcia for 3. Can't get that friendly roll. A steal on the other side. Pricks. Sabi niya merong foul. Shoutout kay Jim Vergara. Nagpapa-shoutout sa ating live stream. JLD, John Lloyd David. Score on that last play. Subukang makapuntos ulit. Region 2, Tugigaraw Hoopers. Goes for that spin. Here's Javier. That matchup between Javier and Tebol Garcia. Nice pass. Natividad gets that easy deuce. Nice find on that corner drive. Masibak once again. Borzalida. They swing it in the corner. Tebol Garcia on that step. First 2 points. Six to 10 is our score. 3 minutes 20 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Both teams getting into their stride. Javier. That is why he is the Tugigaraw Mamba. Just making Mamba-like plays. Garcia once again spins. Tebol with an answer. Ito na. Here we go. Tebol Garcia Henrik Javier on a showdown early in the first.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng
Garcia with a make. As we return off the timeout, Henrik for 3, and that is a foul call. Henrik Xavier has been making buzz, making noise in this battle of champions. Even so, every time he gets the ball, Kit Picasso always reacting to everything he does. Buti na lang wala si Com. 2 mintis na free throw agad para dito kay Henrik Xavier. Henrik, 1 out of 3, could have tied the game at 12. Quick response, ang bilis. Tebol Garcia, di naman magpapatalo. Almost a tap. Javier, they send it inside. Mac Magay, offensive foul. (14-10). Garcia, nice find. Didn't take that baseline drive though. Itong si Bautista, I believe. Javier once again attacks and scores. What more can I say dito kay Henrik Xavier? Scoring majority of the points once again for Tuguegarao. Masibak with a jumper. That is off. Nice recovery. Dane Siazon. Here's Tebol. Just couldn't get that roll to go. Datu for 3. There you go. Makes that 3. Jeren Datu pushes the lead to 5. Javier, nowhere to pass. Andiyan si Natividad, balik kay Javier. Loves these big moments. In and out on the elbow. Masibak, final 50 to go. Tebol Garcia crosses over. Too strong on the jumper. Natividad will be called for a foul. Yuri Masibak at the line, knocks down the first one. Looking to knock down the second. Yuri Masibak, main ball getter, the main playmaker on the side of Fabs Pampanga, makes both. Our final 2 games under 21 division to see sino yung magiging finalist. Muntik nang mahulog para dito kay Javier. (34.6) I should say. 19-12. Javier is at the line. (19-13). Javier again at the line. Mintis yung pangalawa. That is 2 out of 5 for him at the free throw area. 19-13. Garcia has a couple of baskets in his name. Masibak, 3 on the way. There you go again. Oh, just a long 2. Thought about a 3 para dito kay Siazon. Looked like a 3 on that one, but the referees rolled it as such. Quick shot, didn't go in. Offensive rebound. Mauubusan ang oras with 21-13 lamang ang Fabs Pampanga. Under 21 action, second quarter coming our way.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas
22-13, nice drop off. Arriving just in time. Randy Simbulan scores on that basket. A steal on the other side, sayang kay Yuri. Easy layup line para kay Yuri, just missing on that side. Cobalies will turn the ball away. Easy 2, delivered. Dane Siazon, nakakaila na dito sa ating laro so far. First quarter, we went good as advertised on that one. Pero itong Fabs Pampanga breaking free. 13-point lead. Henry Xavier spins. Extra pass. Balik kay Henrich. 10 to go. Javier couldn't make that jumper. Always having the touch here is Javier. (25-13). 12-point lead. Javier toss it to Magay. Simbulan on the rush. Sends it on the right. Quick finish. Bernarte scores his first 2. Very reliable itong si Bernarte. Quick shot. Didn't materialize. Guys in white have the possession. Jumper is good. Kisses off the glass. Escobar makes his 2. 27-15. Looking to operate once again. Nice find and finish. Ren Xavier has entered the game and scored here. Arriving in the arena right now, Cebu City of Bogo, one of the 4 teams that are looking to qualify into the finals. Javier is down, favoring his ankle. This is a huge loss for Tuguegarao if Javier can't return. Pinagpag lang, ganun lang kasimple for the Tuguegarao Mamba. So papahinga lang saglit pinapagpag lang on his way out. So mamaya papasok din yan agad. Talking about the Tugigaraw Mamba, Heinrich Xavier. (29-15), a tough stretch for Tugigaraw without Javier. Gets that offensive rebound. Masyadong malalim. Nice recovery. Goes for that bump. Referees will call a traveling violation. .650 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. 14-point lead for Fabs Pampanga. Look to recover. Here's Konanan. Just finding the best spot. Simbulan, Konanan, balik kay Randy Simbulan. Didn't go in. Rebound by Chester Norag. Again, they need to find that scorer. Ivan Taguba using these horns. Merong foul on that push from behind. Escobar was pushed. Kaya nakuli ng ating referees. Six minutes remaining. Looking to bust the zone. Itong Tugigaraw Hoopers. 3 on the way. Knocks it down. Gian Kalubakib makes that shot. Enters the game with some energy. Itong si Kalubakib. Gian Kalubakib versus Bernarte at the guard. Jumper. Couldn't hit. Rebound. Hindi mapapasok. Simbulan. All muscle on that play. Couldn't hit. That jumper was Escobar. Going for the run once again. Ball is tapped. Nice rescue. Tebol Garcia. Balik kay Simbulan. Randy thought about that shot. Tebol sees the clock, says 10. Making this ISO play. Going for that wide cross. A kickball violation. JC Borzalida has now re-entered this game. 31-18. Checking in, Andre Takad. Pero timeout muna tayo. 13 points pa rin ang abante ng Fabs.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago,
Ethan Cordero na naglaro sa Pocket League. Watching, I believe, player ng Fabs. Itong si Cordero. Shoutout sa'yo, Ethan. Joy watching the action. As well, Kenneth Martin nanonood habang nag-aantay ng mapipitikan dito. Our official photographer for this day. Siyempre, ba't natin makakalimutan? Direk Shadi Bohol. Hindi magpapahuli. As we return here to the action. 31-18 is the score. Looking to make a stop. Narag. Takad. Balik kay Narag. Couldn't score. Second try is in. Madam Ganders Bayani Pellegrin. Lagi yang nanonood, basta Fabs, basta Pampanga Squad. Again, shoutout po sa inyo ni Chase. Again, Sir John Fabico in the building. Team owner ng Fabs. Tebol Garcia at the line. Short on the free throw. Knocks down on that one. 32-20. Final 3 minutes 20 remaining. And a steal by Fabs. Let's see who will finish. Makes that end one. JLD, John Lloyd David once again. That time using his offhand. JLD misses on the free throw there. Javier looks to be fine. Maybe too much time off. Pero dahil mandatory substitution yon, basket goes in though. Nice move. Chester Narag scores on that one. Konanan couldn't sink the three. On the run once again. Here's Javier. One-on-one. Drops it off. Sayang. Para dito kay Narag. (34-22). Final 2 minutes 30 remaining. Fabs Pampanga hindi binibitawan ang kalamangan dito. As we will have a timeout call with 2:17 remaining. Lamang pa rin ng Fabs.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang
34-22. Javier may hawak ng bola. Goes for the spin, sends it to Narag. Nice pass. Better ball movement that time. Sampu na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. As a foul is called on Rainiel Liban. (34-24). Nice spin. Table thought about that three. Wants to attack, and Garcia still couldn't make those baskets here in the second. Borzalida will be called for a foul. Takad will be at the line. Penalty situation for Fabs, isa na lang. Region 2, ganun din ang kanilang kalalabasan dito. Taguba runs away with that one. JLD showing his power inside. Talking about John Lloyd David. Only down by 8 itong Tugigaraw. Fabs looking to enjoy yung kanilang kalamangan as we enter the halftime. 3 by Javier. Couldn't hit the bullseye. Rescued on this one. Borzalida. Forward pass. Tebol. Ball movement once again. Sayang. Borzalida was expecting Tebol to be more further dun sa kanyang pwesto. Pagtingin niya, magkalapit lang pala. Final 7 to go. Javier has the ball. Henry Javier couldn't find the angle. Hindi makakatira itong si Liban. And that is how we will end our first half. Fabs Pampanga only up by 8, 36-28. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Second half of action. Fabs Pampanga, Tugigaraw basketball team, Masibak couldn't score the first 3. Down by only 8 itong Tugigaraw Hoopers dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions Semifinals. Raymark Pagaduan scored his first 2 points, down to 6. Looking to operate once again. Tebol Garcia, guarded by Liban. Tebol pushes and scores. Had an okay first quarter, missing on the second. Starts the third with a basket. Rainier Liban will have his hands full against Tebol Garcia. Pass was rescued. Javier versus Garcia. Here's that matchup. Javier still couldn't find that outside shot. Makmagay, masahe sa ilalim. Just a strong player itong si Makmagay. JC Borzalida scores on that putback. 40-32. Fakes, shoots, and scores. Again, Makmagay always wants to bang bodies down low. Cuts the lead to 6 once again. 34-40. Garcia spins and scores. Table Garcia taking Rainiel Liban to school. 42-34. That's 2 makes for Garcia. Taguba, Pagaduan, mawawala ang bola, merong tapik. Ball was lost. Garcia hands it off. Di makakuha ng assist again. Putting the ball back. Itong si Borzalida. Javier brings the ball down. Wants this ISO play. Yuri looking to guard him. Makmagay again. Banging bodies down low. At merong foul na itatawag dito kay Yuri Masibak. (44-34). Gonna look and push for this one. Cobalies sets it up. A 3 is in. Another one drops for Gian. Kalobakib now has 2 3-pointers in this game. One in the second quarter, I believe, and now in the third, making his second. All speed for Yuri Masibak. 0-100 real quick. Pagaduan fakes, just easy basket. 7-point lead. 37-39. Foul will be called on Pagaduan. Looking to bang bodies down low. (46-39). Bernarte brings the ball here to Masibak. Balik kay Bernarte. Naka-score nung ating opening quarter. Here's Tebol Garcia. Wouldn't put it all the way. Makmagay sends it out. Stepping back, Kalubakib. Bang! 3 3-pointers for Gian Kalubakib. 4-point lead na lang. What a spark Kalubakib is on the side of Region 2. Pampanga finding that one as well. Bernarte can't answer to the call. Pagaduan secures that rebound. Javier once again picking his spots. Here is Henrik. Almost a tap. Ball is recovered. Here's Magay, double teamed, losing his ground. Referees calling a travel on Magay. What an effort, what energy meron itong si Gian Kalubakib. Only down by 4. Bernarte looking to deliver that energy, the same energy na meron itong si Kalubakib. Give and go play. Hindi makakalusot. Pagaduan again. Solid stop by the big. Javier, I should say this is Cobalies, gets that ball back. Dalawa na lang. was going for that handoff. Tumalbog, pabalik sa kanya and scores. 2-point lead. Kalubakib looking to make that rejection. Ren Xavier shoots over Henrich Xavier on that last play. Cobalies. Javier sends it in the middle. Traveling ay tatawag on that pagaduan move. Three minutes 30 remaining. 4 na puntos ang Kalamangan. Kalubakib with an aggressive play. (48-44). Only down here by 4 points. Pass was high. JLD sends it outside. 24-second shot clock violation. 2 minutes 52 remaining. 48-44. We have a timeout call.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
May tulak si Magay sa ilalim. A bit frustrated on that last call was a Magay. Winarningan siya ng ating referees. Resentment to a call. 48-44 ang ating score. 2 minutes 35. Pass was taken on that last play. 2 minutes 10 remaining. 4-point lead. Tugigaraw Hoopers make another stop. 8 seconds. Teboy, last second pass. Bernardo Veramis. Cobalies, Kalubakib, balik kay Javier. Henrik drops it off. Magay with a finish. Magay playing well in this third. Garcia, Siazon, balik kay Tebol. Fakes that three, goes for that hop, and that floater is good. (50-46). Javier goes to his spot. Floater won't fall. It is rescued. Siazon couldn't complete that basket. Magay secures the ball. Final minute remaining. Javier hasn't had a point yet in this third. Shoots the three. Rattles out. Technical foul on Borzalida. Gian Kalubakib at the line will not shoot the technical free throw. So balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng Fabs Pampanga. Tebol Garcia. Nice pass inside. Fakes JLD once again. (52-46). Javier, his first 2 points of the half. Fourth quarter coming up. Who will have the momentum? 52-48. Garcia will pass it to Siazon. Swings it. JLD couldn't complete that three. Cobalies. Javier was turned away. Bernarte with a stop. Here we go. Accelerating forward coming up. 4 points lamang ang Fabs.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na
Fourth quarter action coming your way. 4-point lead by Fabs Pampanga. Javier, 1-2 step, drops it off. Pagaduan for 2. Lead is only down to 2. Garcia making his play. Turns the ball over to start. Mamba looking to strike in the fourth. Nice pass by Javier. Where did that come from? We are tied at 52. What an assist. A stop by Pagaduan. A chance here to take the lead. For the first time today, Javier breaks the defense, throws the foul. Making 2 solid assists to start the fourth. Now going for the attack is the Tuguegarao Mamba. Missing on the free throw. Hindi pa rin makalamang ang Tuguegarao Hoopers. Region 2. Still can't have the lead. A struggle at the line for Javier. Garcia sends it to Bernarte. Masibak. Alley-oops it. Nice play. Finding the right spot. 54-52. Down low. Cobalies. Bitin yung kanyang atake. On that push. Here we go for Fabs. Fakes. Another stop by Pagaduan. Bernarte can't hit that jumper. Rescue that time. Kalubakib on the push. Steps in for 3. Bullseye! That's the first taste of the lead. Gian Kalubakib shooting so good in this game. Datu sends it on the other side. A steal. Guess who? Gian Kalubakib again. Thought about that three. We will wait for more opportunities. Javier will call out a clear out. Passes it to Pagaduan. Rebound. Putback is in. Largest lead of the game. 57-54. Region 2 is back. They have the lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gusto.
Tugigaraw finally having the lead here. Gian Kalubakib, the X Factor. Bautista can hit that three. Garcia can't make that putback. Ball will return to Region 2. Javier making solid plays in the fourth. Made a basket, 2 assists, went to the line. Here he is, the Mamba. He's feeling it. Looking to strike again. This time on a winning situation. Tugigaraw Hoopers. This time a much better all-around team game for them. Usually pag Tugigaraw, it's all Javier, but they got other players involved. Garcia spins. Datu attacks. Nice block. Pagaduan has been solid in this fourth. Iba ang depensa ni Pagaduan dito. Kalubakib sends it on this attack. Momentum riding high. Tugigaraw 61-54. Fabs Pampanga shock as of the moment. Yuri, Tebol, Datu, jumper, still won't fall. Ball is on the hands. Magay, runaway, Gian Kalubakib. This is an onslaught. Region 2 just on fire. Tebol will be fouled to save Fabs here. Garcia, 5:14 to go, will be at the line. Misses on the first. Comkit Picasso even commenting on our live stream, yes, this is quality ball game. Knocks down the second. Fabs Pampanga having the lead majority of the way. Region 2 ngayon lang nakalamang. Still doable for Fabs. They just need to make some stops. Magay will turn the ball over. Here's Tebol. Garcia sends it. Yuri Masibak with a miss. What a rebound by Magay. Gian Kalubakib spins, shoots, couldn't score. Garcia needs to take over right now. And a foul from behind. Not a smart play by Javier. Garcia missing on another free throw. Three out of 5 on his last 5 attempts. 63 to 57. 6-point lead. Nice stop by Bernarte. Again, if you're Region 2, wag pa kampante. They have Tebol Garcia that can change the complexion of this game. Here he is, Tebol. Jab step, jumper. Too short. JLD asking for a foul. Cobalies, balik kay Javier. Region 2 having the momentum in this fourth. Javier Garcia, mano a mano, sends it outside. Kalubakib couldn't hit the bullseye. Tebol Garcia spins away, steps. Woo-hoo-hoo! Not out of the woods yet ang Fabs. What a wizardry of move by Tebol Garcia.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
Quick break. Javier and company only down by 4. Kalubakib turns the ball away. Pagkakataon naman ng Fabs makabalik dito sa ating laro. 3:30 to go. Tebol Garcia looking to make some big plays. Bang! On that 3. Gets that one to go. Down by 1. Tugigaraw ngayon looking to add more onto the lead. Cobalies finds it to Pagaduan. Cobalies can't make that basket. Ball is stripped. Jump ball. Fabs Pampanga will have the possession. Tebol Garcia again has now changed the tempo of this game, favoring his way. Another big 3. There you go! 2 3-point bombs. What a 3. Bautista knocks both one down. Fabs calling for defense. Tugigaraw, 10-point lead, erased quickly. Tap by Bernarte. Bautista has 2 threes. Magay, basket won't count. Foul sa baba. Both teams, 3 team fouls. Javier and Region 2 down by only 2. But they were up by 10 just minutes ago. Emergency pass taken away. Here's Tebol Garcia on the drive and scores! This is his tempo. Magay spins, almost losing the ball. Cobalies can't hit. Foul going on the way of Fabs. They were up by 10 points earlier. Talking about Tuguegarao, Teboy Garcia decides to change the tempo in favor of Fabs. Bitin. Garcia takes it away. Teboy sits in the air and scores. 6-point lead. Javier missing on the shot. Borzalida gets the rebound. Class is in session. Teboy Garcia giving some lessons. JLD will be fouled. JLD at the line, looking to push this one to 8. Missing on the first. If there's a time for Henrich Javier to strike, this is the perfect time. JLD missing the first. Makes the second 7-point lead, 2-possession ball game. A minute 18 remaining. Fabs, they will get a stop. Counter steal by Cobalies. Nice spin, rejected by JLD. Tebol Garcia sends it in the corner. Could have been a big shot by Borzalida. Final minute to go. This is only the first game of our 2 semifinals. Fabs enjoying a 7-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
16-0 run. Yan ang meron ng Fabs Pampanga. Hasn't scored yet ever since getting majority of the lead. Javier versus Garcia. Top fade away. Mamba strikes. Make it a 16-2 run. Five-point lead para sa Fabs. Borzalida receives it. Looking to feed it. Bernarte will be called on that foul. It's free throw time. So Bernarte will be shooting free throws. Hensel Gumaba, yes. Tama yung comment mo dyan. Former Adamson Baby Falcon at champion at the juniors level. Pampanga and crew here. Fabs as Bernarte will make both. Coballes stripped by Bernarte. (18-2) run. Again, it is an 18-2 run. What explosion by Fabs. Knocks down the first one. After being down by at least 9 or 10, 2 points pa lang nai-score ng Tuguegarao. Tebol Garcia. You can call him the professor. Class is indeed in session. That is how you control a pace. That is how you control a game. Medyo absent first to third, come the fourth, just took over this game. Not much on scoring, but on dishing assist, making the right plays. And now they're up by 9. 18-4 run. 74-67. 24 seconds to go. 2 possession ball game. Fabs with the lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
Final 20 to go. Steal. Pagaduan with a miss. Borzalida against 2-3 players. Just grabs that rebound. Fabs Pampanga up by 7. Borzalida at the line. Second last, a member of that Fabs Pampanga under 13 nanonood. Proud sa nangyayari dito sa kanyang mga kuya. Misses on the first though. Sabi ni Carl Ataban, may under 18 pa. Apong sana makalusot. Nakalusot nga. Nakalusot na ang Apong Cagayan on that under 18. They will face Impact Laguna bukas. 67-74 is the score. Final 14.7. Looking to play the solid defense. Referees call a foul. Tebol Garcia called for a foul. Henry Xavier. Makes a free throw. Watching on the wings, Cebu on my left, Davao right in front of your screens. Winner of this game will be matching up against the winner of our second game. 11.9, 74 to 68. Borzalida. Nabawi yung kanyang mintis kanina. One more time. Knocks down both. 9 seconds to go. Needing a quick three. Shoots this one. That is a miss. Fabs Pampanga. What a turnaround in the last 4 minutes of this game. Down by 9 or 10, winning by 8, 76-68. What a game that was. Pampanga marches on to the finals. Again, sinong makakalaban nila? Will it be Cebu, City of Bogo, or Davao? Yan ang ating aabangan. Final game of the day.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan.